What's going on YouTube? So I'm back again doing another video. As you can see in the title of the video, we're going to be installing Gen 5 tail lights on my 2007 GT500. These lights fit on all 05 to 09 Mustangs, so the install is going to be exactly the same as if you ever take off any other set of tail lights and install any kind of tail lights, stock, these, anything else. So let's go ahead and start. Let's see, I have them all here in my trunk. So I have the set of Gen 5s, and really all you need is an 11mm socket or a wrench. In my case, I'm just going to use a wrench. So the very first thing you do, just take these little tabs off. You really just spin them and they'll come right out. There's one on each side. Just takes like a few seconds. So it's just this. You take this off on each side. This one already I took it off. Then there's just one right there. There's another one back there, and then there's another one like right down here. And then after that you just unplug them from right there. And that's basically it. So I have the socks right now. I have these on, and if you guys saw my old video, I used to have vector tail lights on my 2007 California Special. So those are discontinued now, and I sold my set that I had, and I really loved them, but I'm gonna try these out and we'll see how they look. Alright, so I just took off the nuts off of this one. I want to show you guys how these work and do a comparison video. Let's see, put the hazards on. So this is how the stock 05 to 09 Mustang taillights work. And then I'll put the left one on right now, and then I'll show you guys. Just took this one out. I'm going to go ahead and put on the other one. Push this into place. Whew, that's looking nice already. Before I actually bolt it down though, just going to plug it in real quick. And then just test it, make sure it's working. The last thing you want to do is bolt everything down and test them afterwards, and then just make yourself do double the work. There you go. That's working. Let's see this. Wow. Alright, look. Time for the comparison. And this is the difference between the two. At first, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't sure about these, just because I was never really a fan of like the individual lights, but seeing them on now, they're so much better than the stocks. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the other one, and it's basically the same thing as this, so I'm just gonna skip it and I'll show you guys once it's completely done. Alright, so this is how they look on now. They look so much better than the stocks did. Just gonna have to take some getting used to it, but I'm actually really starting to dig these lights. Super easy install, took me less than 20 minutes. If you're looking to getting the Gen 5s, I definitely recommend it. It definitely changes the look of the car, and it really does give it a more modern style look. I used to have LED side markers right here. I'm gonna purchase those soon, just so that it can match with those LEDs. Besides that, the only other light modification I'm planning to do is a smoked front turn signals. I already have those. I need to put those on, and then I need the switchback lights for those, so that it can go from white lights to amber whenever I hit the turn signal. But besides that, the lighting should be done. I've considered putting on like a third brake light on the top of the rear windshield, like somewhere up there, but I'm not really trying to do that. And then this one is perfectly fine for me. There's LED ones, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. Besides that, I don't know what to do to the rear end yet, but we're gonna figure that out. So I kept this video a little shorter than the first time I did an install video on taillights. If you want to see that one, I'll link it in the description below. But besides that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a little shorter than what I usually do, but I got more stuff planned, and that'll be coming up soon. Just slowly modifying this car. The plan right now with it is just enjoying it, slowly adding things to it, and that's basically it. We're just gonna see where this build takes us. But hope you liked the video. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.